Your safety is paramount, and Apple's check-in feature on the Apple Watch is a game-changer, but are you using it to its full potential? This hidden gem, first introduced on iPhones in 2023 and later brought to the Apple Watch, has evolved into an indispensable tool for anyone who values peace of mind. With the release of watchOS 26 in 2025, it's now easier than ever to stay connected and secure. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This feature isn't just for solo adventurers, it's a versatile tool that can adapt to various scenarios, from late-night runs to first dates. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about sending your location, it's about automating your safety net in ways you might not have considered. How to master the check-in feature on your Apple Watch in watchOS 26. Install watchOS 26. Before diving into the check-in feature, ensure your Apple Watch is running the latest operating system. If you're unsure how to update, don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. https://www.tomsguide.com/wellness/how-to-download-watchOS-to-your-Apple-watch. Access your Smart Stack and customize widgets. Swipe up from the home screen to open the Smart Stack, then scroll to the bottom and tap Edit to add new widgets. This is where the magic begins, customizing your watch to prioritize safety. Add the check-in widget. Scroll through the available widgets until you find check-in. Tap it, preview how it looks, and add it to your Smart Stack. This widget is your gateway to staying connected. Initiate your first check-in, return to your Smart Stack, locate the yellow check-in widget, and tap it. This is where you'll start the process of letting your loved ones know you're safe. Choose your recipient, whether you prefer dictation, searching your address book, or manually entering a number. Selecting your contact is the first step in setting up your safety net. Select your check-in method. Here's where it gets controversial. Which method is best for you? When I Arrive uses GPS to notify contacts upon reaching a destination, after a timer alerts them if you don't check in within a set time, and when a workout ends is perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Each has its pros and cons. Which one aligns with your lifestyle? Customize the details. Depending on your chosen method, you'll either select a destination, set a timer, or link it to a workout. This step ensures the feature works exactly as you need it to. Send your check-in. Once everything is set, tap Send to activate your check-in. It's that simple, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. Why this matters? This feature isn't just for solo adventurers, it's a versatile tool that can adapt to various scenarios. Heading out on a road trip. Going on a first date. Even if you're with a group, having this safety net can make all the difference. But here's a thought-provoking question. In an age where technology often raises privacy concerns, how do we balance safety with personal freedom? Is the check-in feature a step toward a safer future, or does it cross a line? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Additional Apple Watch tips. If you've upgraded to watchOS 26, you're in for a treat. Beyond check-in, you can now view your daily sleep score. https://www.tomsguide.com/wellness/how-to-enable-your-apple-watch/sleep-score. Dismiss notifications with a wrist flick. https://www.tomsguide.com wellness smartwatch. Dismissing Apple Watch notifications just got a whole lot easier. How to use the wrist flick gesture in watchOS. Access the Notes app. https://www.tomsguide.com/wellness/forward/wellness/finally has the notes app -here/how. To unlock it, and even translate messages in real time, https://www.tomsguide.com/wellness/forward/smart-watch/use-apple-watch-translate-app-in-watchOS. Stay informed. For more insights, check out these articles. I compared the Apple Watch's new sleep score to Oura Ring for a week, and the results are wild. https://www.tomsguide.com wellness fitness. I compared the Apple Watch's new sleep score to Oura Ring for a week, and the results are wild. Your Apple Watch has a new, smarter way to adjust the volume. Here's how to enable it in watchOS 26. https www.tomsguid.com Wellness Smartwatches. How to enable automatic volume adjustments on the Apple Watch and stop annoying those around you. Apple Watch finally has a Google Calendar app. Here's how to set it up. https://wellness/Tom's Guide.com/smartwatch/Google-calendar-is-finally-available-on-your-Apple-watch-it-up. Meet the expert. Dan Bracaglia, Tom's Guide editorial lead for smartwatches, fitness trackers, and outdoor gear, brings 15 years of experience to the table. His passion for technology and outdoor adventures makes him the perfect guide for navigating the latest gadgets. Based in the Pacific Northwest, Dan combines his love for kayaking, hiking, and photography with his commitment to helping readers make informed decisions.